Hi, community. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Kristin Skeleton. I'm the founder of Bud Funding, and here we are all about educating you how to live your best sustainable life. This video is going to be all about how to dress sustainably. I'm going to be sharing different tips, tricks, hacks, and even how you can lower your energy consumption when it comes to clothes. But before we dive right in, I am super excited to announce the launching of the Bud Funding Academy this fall. So this is going to be a fun, interactive, colorful, creative, project-based program, and I want you to be there with me. And it's going to be hands-on, and yeah, I just can't wait. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. So to get your name on the wait list, you can follow the link in the description of this video, and I will see you there. Now back to this video of how to dress sustainably. So number one is buy secondhand. So you can do that by going to vintage shops, thrift stores, consignment stores, charity stores, buy from a friend, Facebook Marketplace, or host a clothing swap, or go to a clothing swap. Those are always lots of fun. And this shirt is actually from a vintage store. And the fun thing about vintage shopping is you just never know what treasure you are going to find. Number two, research the company. This is if you are buying brand new. You want to research the company you're purchasing from. So do a little search on their website. Check out if they have their ethics posted, if they have any sustainable practices posted, if they use sustainable materials. Just have a quick search to see what you can find. And if you can't find anything, that is a red flag for you. Number three is get a depiller. So what is a depiller? So this is what I use, and it's a little tool that actually cuts off the balls or little pills that form as clothes wear, or perhaps, they got caught on, they got snagged somewhere, or they got caught with the Velcro or something like that. So it's a little tool, and you just turn it on and you glide it over the clothes, and it cuts off the little pills, and it honestly makes your clothing back to brand new. You can use it on furniture as well, different types of materials. And the one I have is rechargeable, so that's great. And yeah, it's definitely fun doing it. It's a great before and after, and it just gives those garments a brand new life. Number four is if you are buying new, there are certain materials to look for and certain materials to avoid. So what should you avoid? Well, those are synthetics and animal-derived materials. What should you look for? Those would be recycled materials, hemp, and linen. Number five, repairing old clothes is always cheaper than buying new. So if you're good at sewing, then you already have all the skills. But if you're not, definitely look for a seamstress in your community. Check out some blogs, ask some friends, or you could also check with a dry cleaning, because there's often seamstresses attached to those. So it's a great way to do a simple fix to a favorite garment to give it a new life. Number six is organize what you already own. So, take an inventory of your closet, organize a little so you are actually conscious of what's in there. Then you can do a quick Pinterest search or a Google search and get some inspiration for some new outfits. And this will give your current clothes a new life. You'll get excited about wearing what you have in a new way. You'll be able to think about these items in a new way, and you won't have the mindset that, oh, I have nothing to wear, I need to go out and buy something. So it definitely gives what you have a new life, and it gets you excited about what you have as well. And it's also fun to create these new outfits. Number seven is always wash in cold water. So if you wash your items in cold water, then your colors won't run, things won't shrink, and you're also going to use a lot less energy, about half. So it's a great way to lower your energy usage when it comes to washing, and definitely hang, as many items as you can to dry. And that also, when you're not using the dryer, of course, that's definitely going to lower your energy consumption as well. Number eight is borrow or rent. And this is for, those one-time items that you are only going to wear it one time. So say Halloween or a big, like a gala or a different event, definitely like check with your friends and family if they have something you could borrow. Or I know that there's different apps now that you can rent clothing items from. Or are there any stores in your area that rent instead of buying? So this is gonna, really help you not with the item that you're gonna just have in your closet. You're only gonna wear it once. It's taking up space, and then what do you do with it, right? So you definitely want to rent or borrow those items. Number 9, buy timeless pieces you love. So when you buy something you love, you're definitely going to wear it more. And when you buy something timeless that you can wear season after season, it's of course it's going to get more use. It's not going to be something that's super on trend and you're only going to wear it for the one season and then you're not going to know what to do with. So buy those items that are timeless and that you love. Last but not least, number 10. When it's time for that item to go somewhere else, you're totally done with it, you never want to wear it again, definitely think donate or sell. So how could you sell that item? Could you sell it on Facebook Marketplace? Could you consign it with the store? Could you, post it to your Instagram and say, I'm having a clothing sale to all your friends in your community, and, take a picture of what you want to sell and ask if there are any takers. So those are just some ideas of how to, get rid of the current items that you have. So do you have other ideas for me and the community? I would love to hear how you are addressing sustainably. And you can definitely just start with one of these ideas and then work your way up to adding more and more. And just start easy. Sustainability isn't an all or nothing game. It's, work with what is going to work for you, because you don't want to try everything and then it's going to be too hard and then you're going to give up, right? So not an all or nothing game. Try one thing and then slowly add more. And I just want to say I'm super grateful for everyone in this community. Thank you so much for pressing play and watching this video, and definitely liking, commenting, and sharing definitely helps me and helps spread the word, and subscribing as well. And definitely get your name on the wait list. I can't wait to meet you there. The link to do that is in the description of this video. It's going to be Bud Funding Academy is going to be fun, interactive, creative, all that good stuff. Can't wait to see you there, and I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much, everyone. Appreciate you. Super grateful of this community.